children, how are you all? I hope all are fit and fine at home. Now, let's begin with our studies. So, scholars, we will continue with chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is Subtraction within 20. And this is part 2 of chapter number 3. Scholars, in part 2, we will cover the following topics: subtraction facts, action exercise, count forward to subtract. So, now let's begin with the chapter. So, scholars, in our last video, that is part 1, we have covered subtraction fact from 1 to 6. Now, today we will continue with subtraction fact from 7 to 10. So, we are going to start with page number 58. And the question says, count the dots that are not crossed and fill in the boxes. So, here we have to count the dots that are not crossed. And then we need to fill these boxes. Okay. So, see the first one. We are going to start with number combination of 7 today. Okay. In the first one, 7 blue dots are there. And how many dots are crossed? No dots are crossed. That means all the 7 are there. That means 7 minus 0 is 7. As I told you, when we subtract 0 from any number, it gives the number, the same number itself. Okay, moving on to the next one. Total 7 dots are there. And how many are crossed? Only this one dot is crossed. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots are left. So see, 6 will come in the next box. Okay, moving on to the next one. Again, total 7 dots are there. And out of that, 2 dots are crossed. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 in this space provided. So see, a number combination is being formed. 7, 6, 5. Okay. Now, scholars, the remaining, I would like all of you to do it as homework. Now we will see the subtraction fact of 8. Because this is subtraction fact of 8, so total 8 dots are there. So in the first one, total 8 red dots are there. And out of that, no dots are crossed. So total how many dots are left? All 8. Because 8 minus 0 will get the number, same number. Okay. See the next one. Total 8 blue dots are there. And out of that, we have to cross 1 dot. That means we have crossed 1. How many are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 is the answer. Now, see the next one. Again, total 8 red dots are there. And out of that, 2 dots are crossed because we have to subtract 2. So, when we cross 2 dots, now how many dots are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots are left. So 6 in the given space. Now see the next one. Total 8 blue dots are there. And now this time we have to cross 3 dots. So after crossing 3 dots, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots are left. Okay. Now see the last one. Total 8 dots are there. And how many we have to cross? 8. So when we cross all the 8, how many are left? Nothing is left. That means 8 minus 8, 0. As we have studied, when we subtract the same number from itself, we'll always get 0. So scholars, now I would like all of you to do this remaining sums as homework. Now let's see the subtraction fact of 9. So because this is subtraction fact of 9, all the dots are all are having 9 dots. Okay. So see the first one. Total 9 red dots are there. And how many we have to cross? 0. That means nothing. So how many will be remaining? All the 9. Okay. 9 minus 0 is 9. See the next one. Total 9 blue dots are there. And how many we have to cross? Only one. Only one dot is crossed. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. See the next one. Total 9 red dots are there. And out of that, how many are crossed? The number that we have to subtract. Smaller number. 2 are crossed. Now let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many dots are left? 7. So we will write 7 here. Okay. See the next one. Total 9 blue dots are there. And this time, how many we have to take away? 3 dots. So 1, 2, 3. We have crossed. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the answer. Now see this last one here. Total 9 red dots are there. And this time we have to subtract 4. So how many are left? See, 4 dots are crossed. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red dots are left. Now scholars, I would like all of you to try out this one at home as homework. Now scholars, we move on to the next page. Page number 59. Here we will see subtraction facts of 10. Subtract and write the answers in the boxes. Because this is subtraction fact of 10, here we are subtracting from 10. So all are having 10 dots. Okay, see the first one. Total 10 red dots are there. And how many we have to subtract, take away? 0. That means nothing. So no dots are crossed. That means all the 10 dots are as it is. That means the answer is 10. So 10 minus 0 is 10. See the next one. Total 10 blue dots are there. And how many we have to cross? 1. The smaller number. We always subtract the smaller number from a bigger number. So when we cross 1, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 dots are left. Now moving on to the next one. Again total 10 red dots are there. And this time how many we have to take away? We have to take away 2. So when we cross 2 dots, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8 is the answer. Now see the next one. Total 10 blue dots are there and we have to cross 3. Okay, so after crossing 3, see how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the answer. Okay, see the next one. Total 10 red dots are there and we have to cross 4. So after crossing 4, how many are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. So from a bigger number, we always subtract the smaller number. Okay, now see the last one. Total 10 blue dots are there and we have to take away 5. So we will cross 5. See, 5 dots are crossed. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots are left. So we will write 5 here. Okay. So scholars, now try to do these sums at home. All are of same type. Only you need to subtract the smaller number from a bigger number. So try to do this at home. Now scholars, see the next question on same page. There were 10 marbles in each box. I took out some from each of them. How many are in my hands? So 3 boxes are there. In all the 3 boxes, total 10 marbles were there. So I took out some from each. Now how many are in my hand? Okay, so see the first one. Total 10 marbles were there. Now 3 are left in the box. So how many are in the hand? We will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 marbles were there. Out of that, only 3 are left in this box. So we will cut 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the remaining one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 marbles are in my hand. So we will write 7 here. Okay, to check your answer, if you add 7 and 3, it will give 10. Now see the next one. Total 10 marbles were there in the box. Now how many are in my hand? To know this, first we need to see how many are in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 marbles are in the box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 marbles are there and 8 are in the box. So let's cut them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 1, 2. That means 2 marbles are in my hand. Now see the last one. How many are in the box? First see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 marbles are there. And how many are in the box? First cut those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count the remaining one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 5 marbles are in my hand. This is the way how you can find out. Okay scholars, now we move on to next page, page number 16. Few action exercises are given here. Let's do that. Okay, see the first one. Place counters or Rajma seeds on the pictures. Remove them to subtract. See, your pictures are given here. If you want to solve it, you can use Rajma seeds instead, okay? Okay, see the first one. I saw 9 ants. 5 went into a hole. How many are left? Total 9 ants are there. Out of that, 5 went into the hole. So let's cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are left? Now see, first we need to arrange the numbers. It's already done here. 9 ants are there. 5 went into the hole. How many are left? So after cutting 5, how many are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how many ants are left? 4. That means 4 is the answer. Okay. Now see the next one. Preeti brought 8 paper cups. See, total 8 paper cups are there. She used 2. How many she has used? 2 paper cups. So let's cut them first. 1, 2. This 2 paper cups she has used. How many are left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many paper cups are left? 6. So we will write 6 here. Here numbers are already arranged. Otherwise, first we need to arrange them and then we need to subtract. So always the bigger number will come on the top and smaller number just below that. Okay, now see the third one. Shikha made 10 sandwiches. She ate 3. How many are left? So total 10 sandwiches are there and out of that she ate 3. So let's first cut those 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? So let's count the remaining one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 sandwiches are left. And 7 is a single digit number. So we will write in ones column. This is the ones column and this is the tens column. So it will be written in the ones column only. So total 7 sandwiches are left. Now scholars, try to do these 2 remaining sums at home as homework. So scholars, now we move on to a new topic. Count forward to subtract. Here we will learn how to subtract a number by counting forward. So see this first example given here. 9 minus 6. We have to subtract 6 from 9 but using count forward method. Okay, start with the smaller number. When we count forward to subtract, we always start with a smaller number. And when we count backward to subtract, we always start from a bigger number. So here we have to start from the smaller number. Okay. So when we start from smaller number, that is 6, we have to reach 9. Let's start from 6. We have to count till we reach 9. Okay. After 6. 7, 8, 9. See, we reached 9. But to reach 9, how many steps did we counted? 1, 2, 3. We counted 3 numbers, 3 steps. So that means 3 is the answer. This is the way how we count forward to subtract. Okay. Now, see this exercise given here on the same page. It is related to the same topic. Circle the smaller number and count forward to subtract. So first we need to circle the smaller number and then we will count forward and subtract it. So see, first one, second one is already done. We will start from the third one. Which is the smaller number? First tell me, 10 or 8? 8 is the smaller number. So first we will circle 8. Now we have to count forward till we reach 10 after 8. Okay. So 9, 10. See, to reach 10, how many numbers did we counted? 2 numbers. So what is the correct answer? 10 minus 8 is 2. And 2 is a single digit number. So we will write in the ones column as I told you. This is the ones column. This is the tens column. Now let's see the next one. 9 minus 8. First, we have to circle the smaller number. So, 8 is the smaller number. Now, from 8, we have to count forward till we reach 9. Because we have to subtract, 9 is a bigger number. Okay. So after 8, only one number we have counted and we reached 9. So, how many numbers? 1. Only one number we have counted. That means 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay. Now see this next one. 5 minus 2. Which is the smaller number? Let's circle it first. Okay. Starting from 2, we have to count forward till 5. Let's do that. 3, 4, 5. See, we reached 5. So how many numbers did we counted? We counted 3 numbers. So what is the correct answer? 3. How many steps we will count? How many numbers we'll count? That is the correct answer. See the next one. 8 minus 6. First circle the smaller number. Now, starting from 6, we need to count forward till 8. Okay, let's do that. 7, 8. See, we reached 8. So, how many numbers did we counted? 2 numbers. That means the answer is 2. See the next one. 4 minus 2. Which is the smaller number? 2 is the smaller number. Starting from 2, we have to count forward to 4. Let's do that. 3, 4. We reached 4. So, to reach 4, how many numbers did we counted? 2 numbers. So, the answer is 2. This is the way how we subtract a number by counting forward. Now, try to do this 2 remaining sum as homework. So scholars, this much for today. Now, the remaining topics we will cover in the next video. That is part 3 of chapter number 3. Till then, keep revising and practicing these sums at home. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds every hour. Thank you.